Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how to make this fabulous elephant wand that's absolutely perfect for an at-home jungle party. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks. For your elephant, you're going to need to inflate two 260 twisting balloons to a 1-finger tail. So check that your balloons are approximately the same length. Sometimes there may be a difference, and if you find that is the case, then take the shorter one and just stretch it a little bit. Just run it through your hands, stretch it a little bit, and then compare. And if you keep doing that, then you should be able to just get your balloons to very approximately the same length. Okay, so let's tie those two 260s together and nice and securely. And then go to the other end, and we just want to tie the tips together as well. Okay, so I like to wrap the tips around twice and then tie for a good secure connection. Okay, and then take these sections here, push them together, wrap around a few times, and then just pull one through the other to lock those in place. And then we want to just part these, just pull them apart, so you're just kind of squaring off the corners, push the centre down, okay, grab hold here, and then just massage here and here, okay, and that's going to give the ear some shape. We do the same thing at the other side, okay, and just part, push down and massage, okay, and then massage here. Okay, and you will immediately notice that this ear has more pronounced shaping than this one. So we can repeat the process on this side. Let's just massage. We're just using the warmth of our hands just to shape the ears, okay? And there you go. So we've got a nice shape on each side. Next, I'm using a white 350, which I've inflated to maybe about 5 or 6 inches with a long tail. And I'm not going to use all of this. And what I would say is if you don't have a 350, use a 260 twisting balloon instead. It just means your eyes are going to be a little bit smaller. Okay, so twist a bubble of about 4 fingers, hang on to that, and then make another bubble of a similar sort of size. Okay, so that's what you've got. Fold those 2 bubbles over, grasp hold of the knot and nozzle, and just twist them around. Okay, and then we can take hold of this bubble here and just pull it through the centre of those 2 bubbles. And that is going to pinch twist the 2 bubbles. So just do that a couple of times. Okay, so that's what you've got. Just snip off the end and tie a knot. Okay, so just do exactly the same thing. If you are using a 260, I'd probably make bubbles of about 3 fingers rather than 4. Okay, next take a 260 and make bubbles of about 3 fingers. So your first bubble, and then make a second bubble that is very close in size to the first. Fold those over. So it's the same technique as before. So just twist those around. And then this time, just because we can do things differently, take hold of this excess here and wrap it through the centre. So you've got 2 slight variations on how to make the eyes for your elephant. Okay, just snip off the end and let out the air. So that's one of the things I love about balloon art. There are so many different ways to achieve the same result. Okay, so you've got the pupils for your eyes. So just grab the whites of the eyes, place the pupils on the top, pull the black uninflated section through the centre of the white pinch twist, up in between the centre of the black pinch twist, round the back, wrap around a couple of times in the back of the black, and then we can cut that away. So you've got your eyeballs. I've inflated a 350 to a 1 finger tail. And again, if you don't have a 350, don't worry, just use what you've got. Try this design with a 260 instead. It will just look a little bit skinnier, but you'll still get a good result. Okay, so I want you to squeeze your balloon and stretch it so it's quite soft. And then with your middle finger, just push the knot and nozzle into the balloon. Okay, and then at about here, when you're maybe 2 inches, when your finger has disappeared into the balloon about 2 inches, with this hand, grab hold of that knot and nozzle. Okay, and then once you've got hold of it, you can remove your finger and keep hold of the knot and nozzle and just twist on this side of the knot and nozzle. So you're holding it with this hand, but twist here. And then you can let go and you can just arrange this so that that little dimple there is a little bit more to the center. Okay, so that's what you've got. Just squeeze the rest of your balloon. Send the air to the end so the tip is almost inflated. Yes, that's good enough. So this is what you've got. And then you want to decide how long you want your trunk to be. So we want a nice long trunk. So I'm sort of giving some shaping to the elephant's trunk. So, and I'm going to twist here, I think. So we've got a section here that's probably 18 inches to 2 feet long. And then we've got perhaps a 12-inch bubble here. So we are going to connect this section here to this section in the middle of the ears. So just pull everything together and wrap around. Okay, so already we're starting to see our elephant. So once you've connected everything together, you can just twist a soft bubble here. And we're going to pinch twist this. So just fold the balloon over, pull that bubble upwards and twist it around a few times. Okay, so that's just going to hold your nose and ears in position. So if you are really pushed for time, then you can actually make your elephant like this without the eyeballs, and the kids absolutely go wild for this design, even without eyes. Okay, so now we can take those eyes, just position them on top of the nose and wrap the 350 white around that pinch twist and then just bring it back through the other ear and wrap it into the centre of the white eyeballs. Okay, so let's just position everything. So just sit the eyes on top of the nose. And there you've got your fabulous elephant wand.